Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to archive text message in your Android phone. So at first, open up your message app and then open the conversation that you want to archive. And after open the conversation, just tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then tap on archive and it's done. Now the text message has been archived successfully. Now if you want to find this archived text, just tap on this profile icon. Then tap on archived and here it is. From here you can find your all the archived text message. If you want to remove this message from your archive list, just touch and hold it. Then tap on this icon and it's done. Now just go back and here it is. You can see the text message has been removed from archive list. Now if you touch and swipe right this text message and you can see it's archived successfully. You can also archive any text message using this simple method. And that is how you can archive text message in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.